Hi, I'm Falguni and I'm the product manager for shared hosting at Bluehost. Today we are going to walk through the steps to log into Account Manager. Click on bluehost.com and then on the right hand side click on Login. Once you click on Login, you will be presented with a screen to enter in your user ID. Enter your user ID that you had created during purchase and then click Next. Enter in your password and click Next. Now this is your home page where it all starts. Here you can, on the home page, you can see the notifications that you may have any. Here is the websites tab where you will be able to see all your websites. The hosting page will show you the hosting packages that you have. Renewal Center is where you can renew your products. Marketplace is where you can purchase any other products that you would like. And then you can also make any changes to your profile, email, contact information under My Profile. Thank you.